Hi everyone and welcome to Money Matters. Today I'm going to talk to you about 3 ways to make your first $500,000. These are the best ways, statistically, because they are realistic. They don't expect you to make $500,000 overnight. Accessible. They don't require large amounts of capital or specialized skills. Scalable. You can use them to create a business or investment portfolio that allows you to earn even more in the future. In my opinion, the third is the best, so watch the video to the end so you don't miss anything. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and leave a like at the end of the video if you enjoyed it. Let's get started. Method 1. Create an online business. The first method is to create an online business. This is a great way to make money if you have a passion or skill that you want to share with the world. There are many different ways to create an online business. You can start a blog, website, online store, or service. If you have a passion for writing, you can start a blog or website where you share your thoughts or experiences. If you have an artistic skill, you can start an online store to sell your products. If you have a talent for marketing, you can start a service to help others promote their businesses. Method 2. Invest in real estate. The second method is to invest in real estate. This is a traditional way to make money, but it can be very lucrative if done right. There are many different ways to invest in real estate. Many people buy homes to live in, but don't make this mistake. Buy a property and rent it out so that it pays for itself. If you don't have the money to buy a home, you can start by investing in a real estate fund. Method 3. Work as a salesperson. Selling is the most important skill of all. If you learn it, you've won. Start selling high-ticket products or services on commission so that you can take a percentage of every sale made. For example, you can sell real estate for third parties with a 10% commission. So on a $100,000 sale, you would have already made $10,000. You would be 2% of your goal with a single sale, and you would reach your goal in a few months. These are just 3 ways to make your first $500,000. There is no one-size-fits-all solution, so it's important to find the way that's right for you. In my channel, I always talk about finance and money. To learn more about this, subscribe to the channel, and if you like the video, leave a like. Thanks for watching. See you next time.